Hey, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about designing dark user interface. I'll cover 4 essential tips that will help you create a visually stunning and user-friendly dark interface. I'll also share one bonus Figma trick that will make your workflow more efficient. So let's dive in. Tip number 1 is don't use color black. Unless it's for the text, don't use this color in your designs, especially in your dark UI background. Instead, you can use the following variations. Tip number 2 is to use contrast to guide the eye. In a dark UI, it's easy for elements to blend together, making it difficult for users to navigate the interface. To prevent this, you should use contrast strategically to highlight important elements and guide the user's eye. For example, you can use bright colors or white text to create contrast against a dark background. This will draw the user's eye to important information, such as headlines or call-to-action buttons. You can also use contrasting font weights or sizes to create visual hierarchy and guide the user's eye through the interface. When using contrast in a dark UI, it's essential to ensure that it's consistent throughout the design. This will help create a cohesive and visually appealing interface that users will find easy to navigate. As you can see in the examples, tip number 3 is it is best to use the white color for text to achieve good contrast between background and text. Use the text opacity to create visual hierarchy so as to show emphasis on certain text and less emphasis on others, as you can see. Tip number 4 is to allow your users to switch between themes, because as beautiful as your dark UI might be, some users just prefer a light UI. So to make your design enjoyable, allow users to switch between dark and light themes. Now for our bonus tip. In Figma, here is how to create a circular progress bar in Figma. Draw the circle, hover over the arc tool, and sweep it to the preferred position. Change the ratio, and finally give it a sweet border. Those were 4 tips for designing a dark user interface, along with one bonus Figma trick. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more design tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching. Thank you for watching my video on 4 tips for designing a dark user interface. I hope you found these tips helpful and informative. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below and I'll be sure to get back to you. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more design tips and tutorials. Until next time, happy designing!